Hello, my name's Leanne, this is LunaRoseCreationsCo. Welcome to vlogmas day 20. We have 5 days till Christmas. I'm also filming this at 10:30 at night because I had work and I forgot to film this morning. But I changed my mind on the slime green blanket and we're doing a star. This is not the 6-day star blanket. This is actually from Yarn Inspirations. It's a 5-point instead of a 7-point like the 6-day star blanket, but I really like it. I think it's cute. I definitely think it gives like little boy, which is, this is for a little boy, and then I'm making the exact same blanket but in orange and black for his brother. So this is gonna be a very short video, because I really need to go to bed. I have work tomorrow unless I wake up and my throat hurts, because I woke up today with a really bad sore throat and it's still kind of hurting. I think I'll leave some more because it's double crochets instead of like, I understand like the 6-day star blanket, like I love it. Like I'm going to be making a supernova, I think, for myself well after Christmas. And the thing is, I've got to finish these and then I have to work on their Christmas gifts. Like I've already done her brother's. This is my best friend who I'm going to see in Germany. I have to make a scarf for her dad, a hat for her mom, and then I have to make a tapestry for her. But I have to get a second skein of the yarn for her dad's scarf. I'm trying a new yarn. Very excited. It's technically a Christmas gift, but I already know because I picked it out. It's the Line Brand Respun Thick and Quick, I think that's what it's called. It's like 100% polyester. They have some of the most beautiful colors. I got like a terracotta orange, a creamy, like a cream, and then like a grayish green. They're all so pretty. So I'm making her dad's scarf out of the green because it just makes the most sense. And then I'm gonna make her mom a beanie out of the cream. And then, which like theirs, I may end up taking theirs, like, if I don't finish them, those will be the projects that I work on the plane / at the airport. So. It's getting pretty big, pretty fast. I've only been working on it today, but I think I like it. I like it way better than what I was originally doing, which is the hexagon. Not the hexagon, the rectangle granny stitch one. I've also noticed when I crochet, I raise my shoulders and it causes them to hurt so bad. So let's hope. I'm trying to like get better and more intentional. I'm literally gonna try to finish this round, and then I'm going to bed, and I may not make it. Actually, there's no may. I'm not gonna make it. So this is a very quick vlog. So sorry. It's probably only gonna be like 5 minutes, if that. But it's just been a really long day. I'm very tired. I'm going to crochet as I talk into the outro, because why not? But if you enjoyed this vlog, you can give it a like, comment down below, subscribe. I would love to have you here. This is the end of Vlogmas Day 20. We have 5 days until Christmas, and I will see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 21. Bye.